Hey, Abby, yeah, we're here on Harvey Road. I'm actually here with two residents that are doing well right now, a little shaken up. I'm here with Anelt and Howard. Guys, tell me, what are you feeling right now?
Oh, just relieved and glad it's all over.
Yeah.
Trying to get my place back in order so we can eliminate as much damage as we can right now. So
I'm just ready for it to be over. Just over. I'm just done.
And so tell me, what's happening here behind us? Who's working on your roof?
My kids. My kids all came up here. Yeah. My daughter and her husband, my granddaughter and her husband, and my grandson and his girlfriend.
And so, what was the damage that you all saw tonight on your home?
we had partially about a third of our roof taken off, about the middle of our house, and some roofs off of the storage building in the back. And a tree kind of got two of our vehicles, got some damage to them. They're drivable, but they're going to have some body work and glass work done on them. But everything else like that was, and our power was out, took out of our weather power on our pole, so we're going to have that fixed before we can get electrical power restored. But other than that, the house didn't. We had a lot of stuff that blew around in the yard, but nothing really, of value that we can't replace. So.
And so Anelt tells me that you were by the back door holding it down. What were you doing in that moment?
Just holding the door down, watching the storm, and seeing where it was moving from and what it was going to do. And like I said, I never did actually see a funnel, but it was a lot of circulation that was rooftop just moving around in a big area, and it was just right there on the back of the house. That's where it was doing all the damage, and it seemed like it lasted for about a minute, but I'm sure it was only probably about 15, 20 seconds, but it was pretty intense when it was doing that. So.
And Anelt, tell me what you told me he said to you in those moments.
Well, he kept telling me, brace yourself, brace yourself. It's here, it's here, it's here. And I was in the hall with my dogs and a couple of pillows. And oh my gosh, my wall to my back was just going in and out and in and out. And I thought the whole house was going, the whole house.
And what were you feeling in that moment?
Scared to death. I thought he was going to be sucked out the back and the whole house was going to be gone. It was terrible. It was terrible. Terrible.
Were you also feeling like that?
No, not at the time I wasn't. I was just wanting to hold the door shut and reassure her that, that it was coming by, and when it was the worst of it was gone, I told her then she could ease up because it was through. So, and that's basically what I did. I probably should have went and took some cover, but something like here in this area, I've never had nothing come in that close, so I was just going to sit there and watch it and brave it out. Wasn't probably the right thing to do, but I did it anyhow. So.
And Anelt, you tell me that you've never been through anything like this before.
This is my first. I hope it's my last. I don't want any more. This, no more. Experience this for the first time, and that's it. I'm done. I'm done.
And so you told me this tree back here, it's kind of dark out here so we can't see it. You tell me that's the neighbor's tree.
Yes, and it was uprooted, and it came over. It's the one that did damage to the car. Took out the back window. It's all dented down the side. Got the Jeep, so.
Wow. So any final thoughts? I mean.
No more tornadoes. No more. I don't even want any rain.
I'm just ready to get everything kind of protected right now for any other fronts that might come through there, and get through tomorrow and get daylight and see what we can get all straightened out and get electrical power back into the area. I'm sure a lot of people are out, but as soon as we get that, then we'll feel a bit better when we got some power back to the place. So.
Yeah. When did you guys first lose power?
Right when it hit it, everything went out right then.
Did you know it was coming in that moment?
Oh yeah, I could see it from a distance. I could tell it was taking out power poles because there was big old bright blue flames every time one of them hit, and I kept seeing them getting closer. And I said, it's getting closer right here because there's no more power poles between here and there. And I said, it's right here. And they were all big bright blue flashes when they take them out. So, and I watched them for probably about 2 miles coming this way, so I knew it was coming right at us. So.
Wow. We're just so happy that you guys are doing okay and you're well.
Thank you.
Thank you guys.
Hope everybody else around here is safe too. I don't know what it looks like the rest of the town, but I'm sure there's some damage and some people have got worse than we did, but I hope everybody's okay through it and nobody got hurt or lost any lives. I don't know, but hope that's the case.
Thank you.
All right.